Assalamualaikum students, welcome to another video. From the thumbnail you guys can see that we are going to start about the graph. Before we jump into the topic, let me recall a basic topic which is a number line. Number line. In the previous classes you guys have drawn this number line something like this, that if 0 is here, so on the right hand side it will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on, and on the left hand side it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Here in the graph we are studying about two dimensions. In the universe or in the basic or in the real world context, we have three-dimensional, which is x, y and z. But here we are only discussing about x and the y axis. Okay, so we are going to take x-axis as horizontal and y-axis as vertical axis. Y-axis, it is vertical and this will be horizontal. So we are going to mark these points here. So this is the origin where both of the axes are combining. So this is called an origin. Here x and y both have the value 0. Okay, so and on the right hand side it will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on, and on the left hand side it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. And what about the vertical axis? If we go up, so it will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and so on. And if we go down, so it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Okay, I hope you guys have understand till now. Now, about the next point which I am going to discuss here, that you have to keep the distance from 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 must be same on the graph, which is called scaling. Okay, which is called scaling or scale. You guys have to write it down, or it will be marked in your, or it will be described in your question that you have to take this graph, or you have to take, this scale, or you have to take this scale on the x or on the y axis. So let us consider it as 1 centimeter. It will be 1 centimeter and it will be 1 centimeter. Same goes here, that it will be 1 centimeter. Again it will be minus 1 to minus 2, it will be again 1 centimeter and so on. And for the y-axis we have minus 1 to minus 2, it will be 1 centimeter and again 1 centimeter from minus 2 to minus 3. And if we go up, so it will be plus 1 to 2, it will be 1 centimeter and again it will be 1 centimeter. So this is the scale we have taken. So we have to write it down here something like this, that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit for x and y axis. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the markings. If we have some points or if we have some order pair. Okay, I use a word order pair, which is a order pair. Order pair हमारे पास क्या होता है? What is an order pair? It is a coordinate which tells us about the value of x and the value of y for this or any of the graph. Let me consider some points here, that 1, 2 and minus 3, 0 and 4, 5 and 6, 8. I just considered these numbers randomly. Okay, so if I draw a graph here, or if I draw two axes which are x, it will be horizontal axis will be x-axis and vertical axis will be y-axis. Okay, as you guys can see here. So this is the point which is called origin. Okay, so here x and y both have the same values. Now I am going to take that scale again here, that 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now what I am doing here, first I draw two axes, x and the y axis, and now I am marking the points for x and y. I am not touching, or I am not discussing about these points till now. First of all, we have to mark that 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So 0 to 1, I have to take this distance as 1 centimeter. Again 1 centimeter, 2, again 1 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. And what about this? It will be minus 1. Again 1 centimeter, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and so on. And same goes for the vertical axis, that it will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, and plus 7, and plus 8. And in the down, it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and so on. So the first point which we have to plot here is 1, 2. How do we gonna plot this point? This first value always is for the x, and this second value is always for the y. So first of all, I have to find plus 1 in the x-axis, which is here, and plus 2 in the y-axis. So if I go up from this point, so here we have 1, 2. I just plotted it. First I marked the points, and now I am plotting the order pairs. Marking the points and plotting the order pairs, both are different. Okay. Now the second one is minus 3, 0. Again, this is for x and this is for the y. Okay. So minus 3 in the x. So this complete line has the value y is equals to 0, because I am not going up or down from this line. So the minus 3, 0 point will be on this point, but on minus 3. So it will be minus 3, 0. Now 4, 5. Again, this is for x and this is for the y. I have to find where is x positive 4. So it is here. Now I have to go up or down. This is plus 5, so I have to go up. So if I go up from this point, so it is somewhere here. I just marked it randomly. So it is minus 5. Oh, sorry, 4, 5. And now I have to plot this point 6, 8. So this is again for the x and this is again for the y. Now 6 is here. And if I go up from this point, so it will be 7 is here and 8, so it will be somewhere here. So 6, 8. I hope you guys have understand what we have done in this class or in this video. First of all, we just discuss about the number line. Now, then we discuss about both of the x's that we are going to discuss. X and the y axis here. We are going to discuss only two-dimensional graph here. Okay. Then we discuss about the markings and the scales. First we discuss about the scales, then about the markings, and here in this part we have considered some order pair and some Cartesian coordinates here. It is also known as Cartesian coordinates. Okay. And we just plotted these points here. We hadn't done anything fancy here. If you hadn't understand this video or understand any of the point, let me know in the comment section and try to re-watch this video or try to watch this video again and again. Hope you guys understand. Thank you so much.